Hello there, welcome to Meta 5 Manifestation. My name is Franklin, and want to change your life? I will teach you how. Head over to meta5manifestation.com or meta5manifestation.com/free class for my free masterclass. It's free. Like and subscribe to support your personal growth, and check the description for more manifestation goodies. Hey, I also have a full online course. Well, here we go today. Today we are going inside the actor's studio. That's right. This is a way that's just going to change your energy, transform you instantly, and set you on the path to just attracting everything like wildfire, like crazy, like you are a high powered magnet. Everything is going to turn out into your reality, okay? Because you're not going from the outside in, you're going from the inside out, okay? So look around you. Stop right now. Stop what you're doing. Look in front of you. Look at the screen. Look at your plants. Look at the sky. Look at your car. Look at your life. Look at everybody in your life. And now, not just those things, look at those things and judge them. Okay? I want you to judge them and feel like, I like that. I don't like that. Okay? Well, here's the thing. Okay? What you are looking at right now, which is called the 3D reality, right, is the movie running right now. Okay? It's the screen of your life, as if you're sitting in a movie theater watching a screen. Okay? Now answer me this question. If you're sitting in a movie theater or you're watching a movie online, doesn't matter, right? Can you change what's going on in that show or that movie in real time? No, you can't, because you didn't produce the movie, right? You're just watching events unfold, okay? Well, in your life, what you see outside in the real world, quote unquote real world, is your movie. And guess who's creating that movie? Not some producer, not Jason Sudeikis, anybody, not anybody. You are the producer, and you are also the actor. Reactor. I said that. That's a Freudian slip, and I love it because we often are the reactors to our own action. Okay? But think about it this way. Everything that you see now in your reality, you created and you're running it. Okay? It's cause and effect. Cause and effect. You produce Apple TV or whoever produces a movie, right? And then it gets shown. We have no say in what happens in that transaction. However, in our own life, we have 100% say in what happens in that transaction, in our movie. So right now, we're going to own our movie, own our life, and we're going to change what happens on the screen of our life. Okay? So look at everything right now, because it's going to change, all right? In a good way. Okay? Now, this is why I call it inside the actor's studio, okay? Because right now, we're going to change the movie or write a new movie, okay? So don't like the car, don't like the TV, don't like the plant, whatever, don't like the people, we're going to change it right now, okay? And we're going to do that by just going inside ourselves and looking at yourself as your character, okay? Quite simple. Who are you in the life of your movie, right? On the screen of your life, who are you projecting out? So here's what we do, okay? We're going to stop everything right now. Like the director's just saying, okay, stop. He's clicking his little board saying, okay, stop, 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 stop. And now the producer, who is also yourself, is coming to you saying, okay, we need a little more energy out of you. And I kind of like this because I was literally in a photo shoot last Wednesday, and it re-upped my thinking on this level, because the photographer was literally saying, okay, stop, we need a little bit more of you, we need to stand over here, da da da. And I thought, God, this is exactly what, I've been doing this technique actually since I was in 5th grade, and it's been amazing for me doing this. But so what you want to do is just kind of think about yourself. Like what I do is close my eyes, okay, and then I see a movie studio in front of me, or I'm in a movie studio, okay? And I'm the principal actor, right? Now think about what you're wearing. Think about your stance, right? Think about having cue cards or a script in your hand. And right there, we're going to set up our scene, right? You can think about the grand scheme, or you can think about something coming up immediate in your life. You can think, okay, I want to have $30 million. I want this new thing, right? Or I want a certain situation, right? I want my boss to behave better. Or, I just want to have a good day today. Okay, whatever it could be, whatever it is, right? And so now you're going to create the scene in your mind, right? And now, okay, the difference here with this actor studio technique is because now you have to carry the role. You got to imagine the cameras on you. You got to imagine the expectations of the whole production company, and you are the one. But you are the professional actor. You are, pick your favorite actor or actress and just say, I'm that person. And you do this effortlessly because you are a pro. And by the way, there's no sort of dissonance with this because you are the pro at your own life. So your nervous system shouldn't feel any sort of disconnect or fight with this. You should just feel relaxed into it, this, and have fun with it, okay? Know that you can produce this role. And this is what I like to do, right? You do the script, you do the scene setup, okay? And now what I like to do is imagine the director is sort of reading over the script. Okay, this is what you're going to do. Now you just received $30 million. Or like, okay, now this is a scene where you're going to walk out and around the corner and you're going to receive $30 million. So, be prepared for that. This is what's going to happen in your mind. So, this what emotions are you going to engage when this happens? Be ready for it, okay? Or you already received $30 million and now you're walking down the street past those people who you looked differently upon before. How does it feel now walking down the street, seeing any car pass by and go, God, I couldn't afford that? Or like anything, like how does that feel? And now you're going to go forth after this, right? Because the director's going to say, and action. And you're going to go. You're going to embody this role. This is your role. And you're going to go and you're going to walk forward in life from this point on until you adjust it, because you can always adjust it. You're not completely beholden by this. Anytime you want to re-up, reframe, get some new feedback on this, go and do it, okay? So this is incredible. The energy, the possibility of this is absolutely incredible. And like any technique, really, I'm telling you how I do it and it works for me. If you want to micro adjust your techniques for how it works for you, experiment with it for sure. Do it. I like the thing where the producer goes, and action, because that's just like a coach saying go, or like a play caller saying go, or the firing gun at a race or whatever. You're off, okay? So this is really about energy. And at Meta 5 Manifestation, we're all about energy in, energy out, okay? And if you think this is kind of like, oh, this might be delusional or something, it absolutely is not, okay? Think about yourself going into an interview. You can go in all slouchy and like maybe you just feel not confident, or you can go into the interview and say, I'm going to own this mother, you know what? And with that step up in confidence, you're going to answer differently. Your nervous system is going to be awake. Psychologically, your amygdala is going to be in a different whole state. Your brain chemicals are going to be firing off different neurochemicals. So it's like going into the gym feeling tired or saying, I'm going to smash it today. And you're going to automatically level up your energy. Anything to do with that, okay? So energy in, energy out. And, again, this all makes sense, this actor studio technique, because one, we're in a simulation. We control reality, right? You are in control of your reality. Two, confidence manifests, okay? Confidence manifests better, okay? Negativity manifests too, but confidence manifests confidence, okay? And you're gonna manifest more positive, happy things by being confident, okay? And also quantum stretching through just relaxation. And believe it or not, being in a role is actually letting go, okay? Because once you're in that role, you're letting go of all the other stuff and you're just existing in that role. And just be happy, be confident, okay? So inside the actor studio, have fun, play with this, drop some comments below. I'd love to hear from what you guys are doing, what you're manifesting, and how this kind of all works out for you. Maybe challenges you're having too, okay? So again, thank you so much for watching. Head over to meta5manifestation.com for my free class. I also have a full online course which is based in psychology, all of the 5 principles of manifestation that are proprietary to my own research, and it's called the free masterclass is called How to Create the Life of Your Dreams with Fun and Fulfillment Without Time Wasting or Doubt. I have a full online course available you can take, and it's versed not just in these techniques. I have over 30 techniques in the course. Everything is based in neuroscience, psychology, mentoring, I mean, linguistics, how to control language. I mean, it's really, really an intensely positive programming. Okay, so anyway, love ya. Keep watching and keep growing.